Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good ass day. So we got another install for the S2K. iBlock is tomorrow, so we gotta get the S2000 looking right. So I got the duckbill, and the lip is the final piece to the puzzle for now. But yeah, definitely needs a lip. So I'll be good for iBlock after we install this bad boy. Alright guys, lip is out, and right now I'm gonna take it out of the plastic, and I'm actually gonna see how it looks right now because it's just the regular plastic polyurethane color. So my car is black, so I'm gonna see if it's that much of a noticeable difference. I did buy paint just in case if it's too far off, but if it's not too bad, then I'm gonna just leave it, guys, because honestly, if you do like a shitty paint job, it'll probably look worse than just leaving it like this plastic looking black, you get me? So I'm gonna see how much the color is off right now, and we'll go from there. So there's the lip, guys, and honestly it wouldn't look that bad if I left it like that, but I'm gonna just go ahead and paint it anyways. Hopefully I don't regret it, because honestly it does not look that bad as is. So the way this lip is gonna go, it's gonna go over the side like that. Obviously there's gonna be a screw right there, so it's not gonna be that bad of fit. And then there's these holes for the screws to go under, and it's gonna be like a little like splitter almost lip thing. It's gonna connect like that against the bumper. It's gonna look pretty badass. I think I'm gonna like it a lot. Alright, Jesus just pulled up, and good thing, because I needed a second opinion. And he low-key convinced me to just throw it on like that, and it makes sense because, guys, if you don't paint it like legitly, then it's just gonna chip and all that, and it'll possibly look worse than just leaving it like that. So I'm gonna just take the chance, just throw it like that. And if I decide to paint it in the future, it's not gonna be that hard to take it off. So for now, I'm gonna just rock with it, because honestly, it does not look bad at all.
Just as Joseph's lip. Where's it at now?
Alright guys, so I have some 80 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to be using that for the inside of the lip. I'm going to sand it down and then clean it off, just so the paint will have a better surface to stick to. And I also have some self-tapping screws, and now that I think about it, I might need like one more bag, because for the holes right here, I'm probably going to need like a washer or something, because I don't think these are big enough for these holes, so they'll probably just go right through. But at least I could do the sides from now, and then I still have the 3M tape for like right here. And honestly, I could try 3Ming tape at the bottom. I could probably try putting like 1 or 2 screws and then 3M tape. It shouldn't go anywhere. I shouldn't go anywhere with just the screws on the side anyways. And I did discover that there's already holes right here, so I'm assuming this car had a lip before, but there's already holes on the side, so hopefully I could line some of them up so I don't have to make new holes. But yeah, let's get it. Bro, you know what that is?
Do you know what it is?
I have no clue.
That shit nasty.
Alright guys.
It's about 100 and dick today.
Alright guys, so all the tape is on there, so now we're gonna get it to the best we can, and then after that, that's when I put the self-tapping screws in there, and hopefully fitment is on point. I do not want any little crevice popping out. I want everything nice and flush. So let's get it, Jesus. Yeah. I know the sun in the background doesn't give the best shot, but hey, look at that, guys. It looks so aggressive. So right now it's only held up by one self-tapper on each side. A Joseph pulled up, but the day's ruined. Alright guys, I also touched up the wing. Looks a lot better than before. Doesn't have any like discoloration. It's all nice and straight now. So I'm happy about that. Looks really good. Hey guys, that bird that took a shit on my car earlier, we cleaned it. I hope it was a bird. We cleaned it and it like, I think it was like low-key or like corrosive, guys.
That shit was straight up acid.
That's my, like, it's clean. It's clean, guys. And it left its mark.
Because you're driving so fast, you're kicking up all the asphalt, man.
Yo, fuck that bird, dude. That shit was possessed.
What's it at? Ooh, you can barely see it.
Yeah, on camera. Watch. It's right there. It's right there. Man, what the hell did that bird eat? This is why you guys need to stop polluting. Look what these birds are eating. Fuck, dude. I feel bad for his fucking...
asphalt, dude.
I feel bad for his intestines, yo. Oh, imagine what his intestines look. Oh.
Hey, we're talking.
So the sun, hold on. So the sun isn't really giving me a good view still. I parked it in backwards. Alright guys, so I parked it in backwards because I wanted to show you guys a better view, but the sun still isn't letting me do that. So hopefully later when the sun goes down, you guys will be able to get a better view. But anyways, I was gonna put screws on the bottom of the lip just to make it more secure, but I couldn't find anything to drive up because the jack doesn't fit under my car. So right now guys, we're actually gonna get a banner made right now. If you remember the one I had on the BMW, like that oil slick, old English type one. So we're gonna go get another one made. I think it's gonna look really, really clean. Dude, are you good?
Fuck no.
So yeah, when we come back, we're gonna throw on the banner and hopefully it'll be a little bit more cooler. And yeah, I'm gonna jack up the car, put the final screws in, and then I think my car is gonna be ready for IBOC.
You gotta get moving.
Sorry.
Hard. What? How hard is it?
Alright guys, currently waiting in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere.
Hey, what's up, Mark? Hey, I was about to call you Marcel.
Shit.
It's fucking hot.
Fucking hot.
Hey bro, you wanna show them the banners?
Sure.
Ooh, sneak, what's that, R? O? R, B-R?
That's a B.
Wow.
Big booty picture.
Sneak peek right there, guys. When we go home, we're gonna throw them on. Yeah. Alright guys, we are back with the banners. About to throw it on, and wow guys, I'm in love. I'm in love with the lip. It makes it look so aggressive. And also the wing. Damn guys. So see, painted it earlier. Looks way better.
Alright, Joseph. Well, first and six. I'm on. Lay it on me.
Dude, this is the easiest banner that's
To take off?
ever come off in my life. Alright, Joseph.
Alright.
We're gonna need your A1.
Oh god. I have glasses on.
Still can't see shit.
Okay, put yours down, Andy, so it's straighter. Oh, hey, Jesus, leave yours up.
Leave it up.
Andy, put yours down.
but pull it tight so you don't touch the window. No, now go to your right. Jesus, go to Jesus' side, and then Andy, go down, Andy. Sorry, I'm like not even focused on the camera. It's just all like that way. All right. Fuck.
This is not moving.
Yeah, it's not moving.
Hold it tight, hold it tight.
Andy, put yours closest to the window, but don't let it touch the window. All right, put yours down.
Am I down?
Yeah. No. Like downwards. Fuck. Dang. I'm like rusty, dude. Go maybe. Go down more. Right. It's hard to tell because your side's up and your thing's up from the window, and then Jesus is close to the window.
Well, put
So I can't really
the
tell.
windshield.
All right, now go to Jesus' side, to the right.
Nah, pull it.
Go down, Andy. Down more. Jesus, go up. Fuck.
I would say send it.
Right there?
Go down, both of you. Go down.
At the same time?
At the same time, go.
Careful, bud. Reminds me of the BMW. I had that banner on for like 2 weeks. It's still on there. I saw it on off-road.
It's on off-road?
I think so. That's the last time I saw it.
Someone probably bought it.
Oh, you have one job, Jesus.
No, don't worry, I got you.
Alright, guys, there she is. Banner, lip, and all. Oh yeah, guys, good shit. Thank you, buddy, for your eye coordination.
Thanks, no problem. Not so high though. Go, yeah, but go towards you, Jesus. More, Andy. Go tighter,
Not that tight.
and then go to that way. Andy, go down. Go down a little more. Down, Andy. Down more. Down more. It was kind of high. Go down more.
Bro, it's just slanted. Yeah.
Really? I can't tell. It's not tight enough. Okay, go to the left. Hit towards Jesus. Fuck. Andy, I'm gonna have to switch you, Doug. Sorry. Oh yeah, it looks good.
Let's go!
Hey, it looks hard.
Yeah.
Hey, we back in it.
Thanks, dude.
Alright, guys, I'm so happy with the S2000 right now. Definitely not its final form, though. Still got more coming for it. But right now, guys, we're actually gonna go catch the Triple G fight. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are a Triple G fan. We're about to go watch this fight tonight.
We're a Canelo fan, even though he
Even a
disappointed
Canelo
us.
fan. Comment down below if you guys think if he was if that was a bitch move for using steroids, or you just your comments on general. If you think you know.
I think he was. He knew he couldn't win the fight. Disappointed. He let the whole country down.
So yeah, we're gonna catch the fight right now. I think Joseph is rolling with Jesus. I haven't got rollers yet of my car.
I'll try.
So my man, he's gonna try to get rollers on my car. So thank you, bro.
No problem.
I appreciate that. No one ever gets roll. Or actually, you did. You got a roller in my car in your story the other day. But yeah, guys, I'm hyped to see how it rolls because I haven't seen it. Bro, you ready for iBike tomorrow?
Yes.
You ready for iBike?
Yes. Yes.
Oh man.
Ew, so this is how he looks without glasses.
Delete it.
You ain't gonna delete it.
This is a homage beat.